subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Noise has grown in popularity, especially for its affordable and decent audio products. It is now gradually delving into the wearables space in India with its latest budget offering, the Noise ColorFit Ultra. The new smartwatch comes with 60 sports modes, a 1.75-inch full-touch display, and over 100 cloud-based watch faces, which could also be customized to suit the user's mood. It also features SPO2, heart rate, and sleep monitoring sensors that provide data on the user's fundamental statistics. The sleep tracking feature also includes rapid eye movement, REM, sleep monitoring. The Noise ColorFit Ultra Smartwatch comes in a waterproof body, IP68 rated, and it's also dust resistant. The ColorFit Ultra has functionality for basic smartphone features and applications like a stopwatch, weather monitoring, timer, alarm, and a phone finding application, among much more functions. It has a 300 mAh battery that offers up to 9 days of usage, while it can stay for up to a month, 30 days, if the device is on standby. The Noise ColorFit Ultra uses Bluetooth version 5.1 to connect with smartphones running on Android 5.1 or iOS 9 or later. It also features a menstrual cycle tracker, stock market information, and SMS quick reply for Android devices. 3 color variants of the Noise ColorFit Ultra are already available via Amazon India or Noise's official website. They are space blue, gunmetal gray, and cloud gray color variants, all priced at Rs. $4,499, $60, for the Indian market. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.